See It My Way 1 presents The Blind Treasure Hunter with Shane Kubat. Hello everybody, I am Shane and welcome back to See It My Way. This is going to be another episode of The Blind Treasure Hunter, and I'm here with CJ and Morgan. We're on the river, we got our kayaks out here, and my very first find is a 1965 penny. So hopefully we can get on more cool stuff. So we'll see you all on the next target. Okay everybody, I just found this piece of lead, and CJ says it says on one side 1/4, on the other side it says 4 cents. So that is pretty cool. I don't know what it could be. So we'll see you all on the next target. Okay guys, we're getting ready to go through a set of rapids here. So let's see what happens. CJ's gonna help guide me through here. He's yelling out commands. Well, I'm gonna hit Morgan. Woo! All right. Woo-hoo. Oh, I think we're going to go through another little setup here. Enjoying our day. Even if we don't find much good, we're going to enjoy a nice kayak ride. I'm going to run Morgan over, it sounds like. Sorry. Another little set of rapids here. The other one's bigger. This will probably be the one I crash in. Here we go. Sounds like we're getting close now. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, somebody's making... Uh-oh. 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 Holy moly! Woohoo!
That was good over there.
Yeah, we made it. Woo. Nice, beautiful day in the kayak, rolling on the river. Oh, yeah, trying to record some ducks. Maybe, maybe not. If it's in the video, you'll be seeing the ducks. Well, look at that, guys. I found a piece of an old horseshoe, and that's an oldie. So that's pretty cool. All right, everybody. I'll see you on the next target. Well, guys, we tried in a different spot in the river, and the headphones are not working on my metal detector. So we're going to make the best of it and poke around here and see what we can find. All right, guys. My detector quit working, and I dropped my other phone in the water I use for recording. But Morgan and CJ found a cool pot and a brass pocket watch. The guts are out of it, but that's all right. So we're gonna wrap it up here, and we're gonna float back down to the truck, and we'll see you guys on the wrap up. Okay, everybody, today's wrap-up shout-out is going to go to Get the Beep Out. So he is almost at 100 subscribers, guys. So let's go check out his channel. Give him a subscription. Let's get him up to 100. And tell him Shane from See It My Way sent you. Alright guys, this ain't going to be much of a wrap up. You know, we went to the river and unfortunately my metal detector, my headphones quit working on my metal detector. I dropped my iPhone 5 in the water that I use for recording videos. So just, you know, little hiccups along the way. But I did end up finding a bucket lister. I did find a bag seal. It says 4 cents on one side and it says 1 and a 4 on the other side. And CJ did a little bit of research, and the 4 cents was for the tax, and the 1 and 4 had something to do with the region where it came from and where it's going, or something like that. I can't remember exactly. So that's cool. I'm happy that I found a bag seal. I've never put my hands on one, and now I know what they feel like. So I'm pretty excited to have that. And I found my penny and a bullet and a sinker. So that was it, guys, but I had an awesome time with CJ and Morgan. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. Guys, if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button. Thank you all for the continued support. And as always, keep happy.